Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everybody, my name is Rina Perlina. With me 2106152. I take informatics engineering study. Here I will explain about how to use install Corel Draw X7 software on a laptop. First, we open the raw file. Make sure friends already have the software raw file. Then, click it and wait a moment for it to finish. After this is time, we click yes. We check I set the times in the recency agreement. We click next. For this next course, then a display like will appear. We select custom installation. Because here I will install Corel Draw and Corel Photo Sign, so we just set a boot. Then click next. Click next. Let's enter the installation in scope and click install now. Wait until the installation is complete. Set newbie limit. We add key opening key game. We click already first. Click enter serial number. Okay, again we change it to Corel Draw X7. Then copy serial number Click Activate Apply and copy installation code. Activation code and copy. First we will click continue. For this we just post it. We click here. We open Corel Draw. We click first. Finally, Corel Draw is ready to use. Okay friends, maybe that's all for Corel Draw software installation. Hopefully it's useful. Thank you. Bye bye.